tell me exhaust is supposed to be coming out the vent, right? Had this truck in like several times. It's coming straight out the vent. Now we go to the downpipe where it meets the turbo. Oh shit. And if you look, see this thing. Just to show you, same. When you give it gas, no matter where you move it, we're leaking. Got a couple bars. So my guess is maybe a bad gasket off the turbo. And then your design from Chevy, what that does is it when you give the truck gas, of course, and run the air conditioning or whatever, pretty much a blower motor, you got it seeping up through the engine bay. And when it seeps up through the engine bay, on this thing, it's completely stock. Got barely any fucking miles on it. It seeps up through the turbo in the downpipe. And then what it's doing is that comes straight up. Exhaust gases rise along with heat, anything else. Then you got these goofy fucking vents, which are vent outs for heat. And then of course you got your intake for your air conditioning and heat. So it looks like a problem to me.